Your return is much appreciated by the CoinSeries channel. Bringing back USTC for $1 and turning gas taxes on Terra Classic into a lunk. What does Lunk intend to do next? We will cover these subjects and more in today's video. So, why would the thought of a gas tax generate a lunk and bring USTC back to $1? An important step in reviving Lunk and repacking USTC to $1 is the decision of the original Terra Luna community to convert taxes to gas. Applying the tax-to-gas mechanism to Terra Classic is part of the idea, and it involves renowned developer Strath, since the tax is already present in gas after converting coal and developer group Real Labs to gas. No more processing or computations are required. In order to implement tax-to-gas on the blockchain with foolproof KYC, this proposal is requesting clearance from two new developers to collaborate with Strath Coal and Real Labs. Experts in blockchain and module development, as well as those familiar with the 80-20 tax split and the 1.2% burn tax, are among the senior developers whose permission is sought. The proposal's voting will happen on the station's wallet. The whole development lifecycle, from research to basic testing to deployment, takes 6 weeks. In the initial weeks of the implementation phase, and following the successful completion of outline testing, developers will present spending ideas. An initial payment of $15,000 will be used against the total budget of $24,000. The proposal was approved by more than 89% of the 15 validators who participated in the first round of voting. Moon Rabbit vetoed one of the 12 validators' votes, leaving 6 in favor and 2 against. Solid Vote, Lunk Development Fund, Jesus Christ, Stake Systems, and Stake Systems were the validators. The plan's detractors claim it contradicts the advice of the KYC and the PBJ. The price of lugs went up by 2%. The current price is $0.30/127, reflecting a 7% decrease over the past 24 hours and a 7% decline over the past week. For the past 24 hours, we have seen a range of $0.30/123 to $0.30/131. However, data from CoinGape shows that trade volume has fallen by 60% during the last day. Here are 5 points to consider if Lunk pricing drops below 30 cents in the near future. The recent rise in the price of Terra Classic is evidence that the fuddy Terra Luna Classic community is constantly advocating for projects to grow and thrive. The chain has shown to be resilient as well. The recent recovery of the cryptocurrency market has speculators on a high. There was a 25% spike in the price of Classic Terra. Lung prices reversed course in February, surging to $132 from a low of $108 in January. This week should be the most productive because the community is discussing major decisions. A key contributor to the price surge is the recent financial crisis at Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange on the planet. Dispose of 2.1 billion Terra Classic tokens as per the 18th batch's guarantee. The crypto exchange is responsible for 52.1% of the total lunk burn in the Terra Luna Classic community, having burned over 50 billion lunks thus far. Notably, with a current total of approximately 98.5 billion lunks, the total lunk burn by the Terra Luna Classic community is rapidly approaching 100 billion lunks. CoinGate Markets announced the lunk price breakout from the downward trendline on February 4. The alt-currency's suitability for the larger rally was confirmed when Lunk Coin's intraday trading volume climbed above 1,000%. An upside-down 30-cent support level would be $1. Recent studies also show that the Terra Classic is in a consolidation phase, is feeling the strain, and will finally break out to $0.3 to dollar. Furthermore, some of the approved recommendations from the Terra Luna Classic community are responsible for the Lunk price hike. Proposal 12,033, which requires Know Your Customer, KYC, from all Tier 1 developers, was barely approved by the community. A whopping 90.5% of the voters approved the plan. Among the declared objectives of the plan are the following: the prevention of the short selling of Terra Luna Classic, the improvement of security, and the implementation of Know Your Customer, KYC, procedures for all L1 developers. The community also welcomed Genuine Labs, a new development group that was assigned the goal of addressing chain problems. Many LUNC shorts have been sold this week as a result of the developers finishing all the developments and the community also approving a spending plan, in tandem with an increase in the amount of deals. After the present market slump, which follows a fall in total LUNC stake to approximately $950 billion in December and January, many traders and investors are hoping for a strong recovery. So, there has been a recent uptick in the demand for LUNCN. LUNC staking has been on the rise as of late, with the staking ratio reaching 15.09% LUNCed. The amount of stakes has been rising this week and is now over 1 trillion LUNC. Both the project and its validators depend significantly on analytical reasoning. When users secure their assets with a validator, they might earn incentives. After a 2022 fall, Terra Coin and Terra Classic will both make a comeback. Many cryptocurrency investors are asking whether the Luna Classic can replicate Terra's Classic's performance, since our Terra Classic prognosis suggests the LUNC will have a hard time recovering or touching $100 again. Nearing soon. If you're expecting to own Luna Classic for the long haul as an investment or retirement fund, it's still worth it. It may retest the $100 mark in the following decade. Luna Classic tokens, which are in short supply and sell for less than $1 a pop, have had their supply increased by the Terra team. Nevertheless, LUNC can meet the $100 objective with the help of token burning in the future. As we have seen previously, the cryptocurrency market is capable of anything. A spectacular bull or bear surge can demolish all price predictions in an instant. However, with the shocking collapse and 2022 regaining the trust of its donors is a challenge for the fortunate project. In a different scenario, when more investors show interest in the Terra Classic project, the LUNC coin's price might reach $100. You must first forecast LUNC prices. Terra Luna Classic has an amazing history and was one of the most profitable alternative coins for a long time. In its early days, Luna coin went from $1 to $100, a tremendous increase. Following just 3 years, one Terra Luna coin surged in value to $119 in April 2022, giving its original investors a tremendous return. However, many people lost money when all cryptocurrencies began to show signs of bearishness following the crash. Since many in the community have put their money into the often pumped LUNC coin, Luna Classic is making an effort to return. According to our findings, the price of Luna Classic will keep rising up and will surpass $1 at some point. Before the decade comes to a close, Luna Classic may not be able to regain its prior level of success. Conversely, improved performance may result from a united LUNC coin community. For Luna Classic, 2024 has the potential to be a breakout year. Based on our research, Luna Classic can be priced between $69.20 and $24.40 on average. At its present rate of growth, LUNC coin might hit a low of about 0.30 or $58.20 in just one day. Regardless of market conditions, the LUNC coin might achieve a maximum price of 0.30 or $5 by the end of 2024 if the community comes together to support the project. Based on where the market is at the moment, Luna Classic might see more price hikes in the road. The project will proceed if investors opt to fund it. Perhaps we're well off base with our valuation of the Terra Luna Classic. Luna Classic might see an influx of capital in 2025. We are aiming for the year 2025. The going rate for a Luna Classic is around 94 cents. If Terra Classic's present growth trend persists and additional investment and acceptance take place, its market cap and value might rise during a bull market. About 2.5 zeros, the price range for LUNC coin goes up to $25. Luna Classic might fall as low as $6, or almost 0.30, if the market turns negative this year. Terra Luna Classic has the potential to break all records and reach new heights by 2030 if 2025 is a bullish year. With input from users and updated listings on key exchanges, we can do this. A $1 target may be within reach for this LUNC coin. This year, we anticipate prices to be at this level. The typical pricing range for Luna Classic is between 81 cents and 33 cents. By 2030, a lot of cryptocurrencies, Luna Classic included, might hit an all-time high. If the market undergoes substantial changes, the price of Luna Classic might reach $1.23. Potentially driving up the price of LUNC coins this year are the new initiatives and listings on major exchanges by the Terra Luna team. If market sentiment turns negative, the lowest price point for Luna Classic might be anywhere from 59 cents to 2030. In light of this, when do you think LUNC will reach $1? Much obliged for your time. You are not in any way encouraged to purchase or invest in cryptocurrency by watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below with your LUNC token opinions. Please like and subscribe as always. Finally, goodbye is coming up soon.